second stanza, poet says that if thou past born to strange sights, things invisible to see, ride 10,000 days and nights, still is no white hairs on thee. Thou when return while tell me all strange wonders that befell thee, and swear nowhere lives a woman true and fair. John Donne in the second stanza is saying that you go for a journey. He is commanding and he is sending to this interlocutor that you go for a journey. In that journey, you will find various extraordinary visions that are invisible. You will get very nice experiences here. You could able to see very beautiful sights, beautiful pictures, beautiful experiences, and for that it will take 1,000 days and nights. You will ride for 1,000 days and nights, and in that experience you will become aged. Your hairs will turn white and your hairs will turn grey. Then at that time you will come back to me and you will report to me that what fantastic things in your journey you have experienced. So after experiencing these type of experience, extraordinary visions, you will say to me that yes, you were right. You were right that this type of woman is not at all possible in this world. Means finding such woman is impossible for me. In the third stanza, again John Donne is arguing and he is convincing him that maybe somehow you can manage your journey, you can go for search this type of woman. But in the third stanza he says that if thou find one, let me know. Such a pilgrimage was sweet, yet do not I would know. Though at next door we might meet, though she were true when you met her, and last till you write your letter, yes, will, she will false ere I come 2 or 3. Means he is saying that somehow if you are successful, if you can find this type of woman, if there is 1% chance that you can get this type of woman, and it will be very sweet experience for me also that you can find this type of woman. But what happens, this type of woman is not possible. Maybe you can find this woman and it will be a kind of pilgrimage, it will be an experience like pilgrimage. But for the next time, what happens, when you will write a letter to inform me, then what you will find that she also turns unfaithful. You will find that she herself became unfaithful. She will be having affairs with 2 or 3 another man. So what is the conception of the poet in this poem is that he is totally biased for the woman. His approach for the woman is totally one-sided. He